Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about illustration, buying and selling illustration on Fiverr. How to do this? Okay, after the creation of the account, you go back to the dashboard. This is the seller. Let's start with the buyer. So add talents to AI, not my business today. So we said illustration. Illustration are in graphic and design under the title of art and illustration. And here, right before the AI artist. So illustration. There are several types: children, realistic, comics and cartoon, anime and manga, flat, line art, sketch, and others. But there are some amazing. Why is he drawing naked people? Okay, cool. Imagine transforming from this to this. Okay, there are still. I will draw your character to an anime illustration. I will draw monster in rat pink costume culture style. Yeah, this is weird. I will create environment or monster concepts art. Cool. I will draw a guide instruction manual step by step. This is good. Okay, this is good. I will design characters for you. I will paint sci-fi or fantasy concept art illustration character and other. You get it. So why the okay, this is weird. For now, let's just choose where the one who draw. Yes, this one. Let's try on it. So it's okay, it's a lot. Extra fast delivery for $10. Yeah, after you want to buy something, you click on continue. They ask you for the quantity. Adjust the quantity. I don't think this. Okay, then you pay. Just simple. For the seller, you head to the user seller dashboard. Click on your profile to head to the analytics and dashboard. We have active gigs and drafts. Create a new gig title. Something like this. Can we copy this? No, but let's copy this. I can't. Nope, I can't copy the. Oh, yes, I can copy. And let's remove this. This. This is much faster than creating my own. Sorry to the owner of this, but I will not use it. Something like this. Category, graphic design. We go down looking for illustrations. Yes, this is it. We have style. Realistic, abstract, isometric, sketch, line art, graffiti, retro, vintage, pop. Those are lots of categories. And let's just choose abstract or others. No. Good. The artistic technique you specialize in pencil, no. Charcoal, no. Pen ink, no. Watercolor, no. Acrylics, no. Color, no. Woodcutting, no. Freehand, yes. Them, sci-fi, Fine. Dark. Subject. Nature. What other? People. Not positive keyword. We need just keyword. Hero. Villain. I just choose random keywords. You put the keywords that people will find you faster using it. I need a name. The 1, the 2, the 3. The 111, 222, 333. You put description, you put the name. That's easy for you. I'm not telling you what to do. 2 days, 1 day, 1 day. 0, 1, 2. Let's just skip this part. I will do it faster. Faster. The price 10. Sorry. 10, 20, 30. Now extra $10 for 1 day. Extra, no, I can't put 12, $15 1 day. Save. Okay. This is not. Okay. Save and continue. I can't preview this because it looks stupid. Now the description. After this, we have the requirement. After the requirement, the gallery. You should have pictures and you can publish it. So let's continue with the description. Sorry. Hi. I will need 120 letters. Next. You can add frequently asked questions. So here we have questions. You ask them for dimension or guideline, or you just ask questions depending on what you need to know. Save and continue. Now the gallery. You will need pictures, and you can't continue without putting pictures, I think. Yeah, at least one image in each place. Then you publish it. Now let's go to the dashboard and the buyer and see. There are multiple choices, but what did I choose? Abstract. Here. Apply. Okay. This is what I choose. I'm sorry. I didn't mean this. Oh, this is an orc. I will draw anything you will ask. That's good. Fantasy map. You will find here anything you are looking for. From games to children things. Pencil. You can say whatever you want. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.